Okay, this is Kuru, and the noise you hear in the background is Futurama. We are big Futurama fans here, so it's usually always playing in the background. I have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 Unleashed packs, and these 12 Heart Gold Soul Silver packs to open. My battery is almost dead, so we'll start with the 12 Heart Gold Soul Silver to see what we get. So first up is a Don pack. Okay, I haven't done this in a while, so here's Slowpoke, Chikorita, a Fire Energy, Spinarak, Girafarig, Skiploom, Rainbow Energy, Full Heal, a Reverse Jump Puff, and a Pichu. So that's pretty cool. Next is a Ho-Oh pack. Okay. So we have Wooper, Girafarig, Ladybug, Caterpie, Snubbull, Pokemon Communications, Double Colorless Energy, Blissey, Meganium Prime, and a Furret. Next one is a Don pack. Okay, there's a Caterpie, Snubbull, Hoppip, Coughing, Spinarak, Starmie, Pokemon Reversal, Blissey, a Typhlosion Prime, and a Ladium. Another Ho-Oh pack. Drowsy, Paris, Sandshrew, Spinarak, Sunkern, Igglybuff, Pokemon Reversal, Corsola, a Reverse Hollow Metapod, and an Ampharos. Another Ho-Oh pack. Wooper, Jinx, Growlithe, Lightning Energy, Cyndaquil, Double Colorless Energy, a Miltank, Pokeball, a Reverse Hollow Jinx, and a Hollow Noctowl. Then a Ampharos pack. Okay, there's Vulpix, Snubbull, Steel Energy, Mareep, Marill, Unknown, Flaffy, Quillfish, a Reverse Hollow Pokegear, and a Hollow Azumarill. There's a Donphan pack, which is what I have most of. Paris, Wooper, Jinx, Growlithe, Lightning Energy, Switch, Heracross, Rainbow Energy, a reverse holo Heracross, and a holo Jumpluff. Okay, like I said, most of them are Donphan packs. That's all Walmart had. I got what I could get. Hobbit, Clefairy, Phanpy, Jinx, Slowpoke, Donphan, Unknown, Pokemon Collector, a reverse holo Starmie, and another holo Noctowl. Steel Energy, Mareep, Marill, Execute, Magikarp, Pokeball, Pokemon Reversal, Croconaw, a reverse holo Red Gyarados, and an Ampharos. Okay, Totodile, Sentry, Coughing, Growlithe, Wooper, Flaffy, Quillfish, Unknown, a reverse holo Slowpoke, and a holo Jumpluff. Nothing really out of the ordinary. Chikorita, Chansey, Hoppip, Phanpy, Pikachu, Unknown, Flaffy, Donphan, a reverse holo Raichu, and a Ferret. Last one of these. Okay. Chansey, Jinx, Caterpie, Marill, Vulpix, Heracross, Bill, Bayleaf, a reverse holo Igglybuff, and the top of a holo Legend. So that's pretty awesome. Got a lot of cards I didn't have in that. So I'll do the next video now. See you then.